Aloha and welcome to Cooking with Dino Mama. Today I am making carnivorous patties. This episode is not sponsored by anyone, and anything I use or that you see, so it is available in my home or local grocery. Let's start by finely chopping 1 tablespoon of fresh fennel, dried is fine, a teaspoon of 5-spice powder or crushed star anise, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and a dash of mace. Mix all the dry ingredients with a whisk, just until combined. Then add your meat of choice. This works best with a lighter meat such as pork or turkey. Then mix it all together with a spoon. Or I found my hands work better so that the spice mix is mixed into the meat and it is completely coated. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. This is the kind of meal you want to plan in advance. Now that your meat has absorbed all those amazing flavors, take it out of the fridge. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and line a rimmed baking sheet with foil so it catches all the grease. Spread the meat out in a thin layer about 1/4 inch thick. Use a spoon or your hand to flatten it out. And now for a dino joke. What do you get if you cross a dinosaur with a pig? Jurassic Pork! My dinosaurs love these patties. Cook for 15 minutes. Then carefully flip the meat over and cook for another 15 minutes. Don't forget the pan is hot. And don't worry if it breaks apart as you work, since you'll be breaking it up anyways after it's fully cooked. Drain any excess fat from the pan. Next, turn on the oven's broiler. Cut the jerky into rough squares and place these on a cooling rack over your foil-lined baking pan. Slide the pan under the broiler and cook for 3 minutes on each side until browned and crisping. If you don't finish these right away, store in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to a week. These are so easy to make and so tasty. Serve with a salad, pasta, or rice. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy! And remember, only nice people get meats.